Hi, boys and girls. Please write your name at the top of your paper. All right, we are doing doubles facts this week to help us so that we can become really quick at our math facts. So we are going to do the 10 frame to help us get our math facts. So I'm going to draw 8 circles in my 10 frame. So please draw 8. Now we're going to double it. So we're going to do 8 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if I have 8 plus 8, look at the 10 frame and tell me what the answer is going to be. 16. Very good. Wonderful. Now we're going to use the 10 frame again to help us add. So we're going to do 3 plus 3. So I do 3. And then I do 3 more. So when I put those on the 10 frame, I know that the answer is what? 6. Now on my 10 frames, I'm going to do 7 plus 7. So I do, there's 7. So make sure you have 7 on your 10 frame. And then we're going to do 7 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So when I have 7 and 7 more, how many do I have on my 10 frame? 14. Very good. And my last double is going to be 4 plus 4. So I'm going to do 4 on my 10 frame. And then I'm going to do 4 more. So what does that equal? It equals 8. Very good. Now let's turn our paper over on the back. I'm going to do the top half with you, and then I want you to do the bottom half on your own. It's really important that you practice it on your own and not just turn it in blank, because it's in the practicing that we get better. So we circle the bigger number and then count up 2. So 5, 6, 7. And I use dots just to help me so that I know that I'm counting correctly. So 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4. 2 plus 0, we know that's going to be 2. 2, 3. Same, the 0 plus 2 is the same, it's just 2. 2 plus 2, that's a doubles, it's 4. Let's try 3 plus 2. 3, 4, 5. 7, 8, 9. 8, 9, 10. 2, 3. 6, 7, 8. Okay, now the video is going to stop, and I don't want you to turn your paper in yet. I want you to do all of these problems, these 4 rows, you're going to do by yourself. And when you're done, then you turn it into your teacher. Good job today.